How to change or remove background images on your Wix site. Click on the section of your Wix site where you want to change or remove the background image. You'll see a dialog box appear, usually with a button labeled Change Background. Click on the Change Background button. This will bring up options to either change or remove the current background. If you want to remove the background image entirely, select the None option. This will eliminate the image and reveal the underlying color of your website's background, which is typically white unless you've set it to something else. If you prefer to replace the image with a solid color, click on Color in the background settings. Choose the color you want to apply to that section. This will replace the image with the selected color. If instead of removing the image, you want to change it, you can select a new image by clicking on Image and Uploading or selecting one from Wix's library. You can also add a background video by selecting the Video option. This is great for adding a dynamic feel to your site.